guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and today's video is about this here, this gorgeous nice bob hairstyle. Yes, I did it by myself. As you guys know, I have my own hair company. It's called PrestigeHumanHair.com. I will link it down below so you can just click it and go straight to my website. But this is a nice haircut that I did, and this will be one of my wig collection that will be coming very soon, guys. Please be patient. It's a whole lot of wigs I gotta make, and I'm by myself, so yeah, this will be one of my wig collection. This one will be called Prestige. Yes, because I'm very prestige and it looks so nice on me. Right now this is natural black, but I am gonna go ahead and get it jet black. Like, I want it to be jet black. But I just want to show you guys how I got this nice cut. It was kind of really a little bit difficult, but in the end it was like, look at it, like it looks so pretty on me. Like, I love it so much, and this is my first time ever doing a bob hairstyle. OMG, on camera. Yeah, I did it, and I want to show you guys exactly how I did it. And yeah, before we get started into this video though, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right here down below, and also click that bell because I do upload every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. I know, guys, I was out for like a week. I was so stressed. I had so much things to do. I couldn't even record a video. That's how much things I had to do. So I'm sorry, guys, if I was out for like a week or two. But now I'm back, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to check out Tuesday video to show you guys how I get this nice, natural, flawless makeup right here with red lips. Yep, I was going out that day with my boo. It was his birthday, and you know, I got to look all cute and nice for him and all that stuff. So yeah, guys, this video will be up on Tuesday about this nice, natural, sexy, out in the town makeup look. I don't know what to call it yet, but yeah, check it out on Tuesday. But this is about the hair, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, let's get started into this video. Okay guys, so let's get started. And I did went ahead off camera and I make a wig because I do have a tons of wig tutorial, so go ahead and check them out. So this is a 16-inch, I think it's a 16 and a 14-inch frontal, and I did put a tint of color in it, so this is the reason why you see that little bit tint of color, but this is a natural black. So off camera I did went ahead and I put it onto my head, and I just part off where I want to cut in the back. So now I'm going to take my scissors, and this part doesn't have to be even because you're going to go in and fix it up. So just take your scissors and just cut it. Okay guys, so when you cut it, you can see that it's not even. This is when the magic happens. You got to make sure that you know what you're doing at this point in time, because if you mess up, you got to throw this here, because what sense would it make? Okay, so just make sure you take your time with this stuff. So I got these things, I don't know what you call them, but I got these things from the beauty supply store. I think it's a simple cut, simple something from Conair, and I will put everything in the description box. So this is what I got, and it comes with a scissors and comb, and I'm gonna go ahead and just use that just to straighten out and cut the hair evenly at the back. So okay, the technique with this is that you have to comb the hair. The hair gotta be straight. You gotta make sure that the hair is even on the mannequin head, and you gotta comb it out and cut. Comb it and cut, because some part may not show when you're cutting it. So this is the reason why you have to comb it out and then cut. This is my first time doing it, so I'm taking my sweet time because I really don't want to mess up. That night I was going out and I wanted to wear a different kind of hairstyle, not like long hairstyle. I wanted to do something really different, so I was taking my sweet time with this, and you got to make sure that you know what you're doing. Okay guys, so now I'm getting this thing really even. You can see that it's getting straight, but you still have to just, you know, cut it and make sure that it's the way how you want it to be. So next I'm going with the side, and I want it like a short back and a angle hairstyle, and I just didn't like the way how it looked at first when I put it onto my head. I don't know, maybe the way how I cut it, I guess I cut it wrong or something, but this is the style that I really wanted. I wanted a short back and a long side, and I just had to go in and change it because, you know, it was looking weird on my head and I wasn't gonna go outside looking all crazy. So I was just evening up the side, and then afterwards you guys are gonna see that I went ahead and I just cut everything all even. Okay guys, so this step I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna take my comb and scissors, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just clip the ends only into a angle. And you know, you don't have to do this part, but I just wanted to do it and just, you know, clean it up, just make it look nice. Okay guys, so afterwards, you know, this is how it looks after I finish cutting it. And yeah, you know, it's gonna be changed. I went ahead and I put it onto my head, and then I was like, nah, yeah, I gotta fix it up. So before that, I'm gonna use my heat control protector oil, and I'm gonna put a little bit onto my head and rub it all over the hair. And then I'm gonna use my straightening iron just to straighten it out a little bit more before I do more cutting. So this is it guys, like I went ahead and I cut it off camera, and pretty much I loved it. I love it so much, and when I put it onto my head it just looks so nice. Like I was like, yes, this is not what I wanted, but it fit me and it's gonna be looking all pretty when I'm done. So I really love it. And it was a trial and error, to be honest. It took me a while, like 2 hours, to be honest, because as I said, I never did this kind of bob haircut before. I never cut a hair like this before. This is my first and all of that stuff, but in the end it just looks so pretty on me. And I just want to show you guys, you know, trials and error. You know, you don't have to be perfect at first, but you just got to keep on trying. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it up more, and just if I need to cut anything more just to make it more even, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I put it onto my head. I used the bold hold, but I don't know, I'm not loving the bold hold, to be honest. I don't know. But anyway guys, this is the final, and I was going out that nice, so you know, I have to look cute and nice. And don't forget to check out Tuesday's video because I will show you how I got this makeup look. And yeah guys, pretty much that's it. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will definitely see you again in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you.